Hi everyone! Welcome back to my studio. Today, I want to paint something that feels like a fairy tale. The famous red mushroom, Amanita Muscaria. I don't like seeing dark pencil lines on my watercolor paintings. That's why I sketch on a separate paper first, and then transfer it to the watercolor paper. For this drawing, I'm using Gouache's Hot Pressed Paper. It has a very smooth surface. If you are interested in my transfer method, let me know in the comments. I can make a separate video about it. I really love using watercolors for this. Watching the red pigment flow on the paper is so relaxing. I decided to add the white dots with gouache. They are the most important part of its character. Did you know that these white dots are actually leftovers? When the mushroom is a baby, it is covered in a white veil. As it grows, the veil breaks apart and leaves these spots on the red cap. Nature is amazing, isn't it? Favorite part is building up the details. It's amazing to see how these small touches bring the painting to life. Here is our mushroom. I hope this video gave you a little peace today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.